Hi guys, good morning. So for this video guys, I will teach you on how to activate the Panda Gamepad Pro. So what we're gonna do now is wait, click this activation tutorial, and then there's an instruction. Use debug mode within USB is connected. So we will find the debugging option. So let's go to the additional settings, look for developer option, and then look for debugging USB. Yes, and okay. And then open the Panda again. Here we go. And there's an instructions here. Select charge only. Open the following link on your computer to download Activator and read the guide. So what we gotta do next is go to our computer. So let's search for the https://discguard.youtube.io/pgpa. So it's paste. So here we go. We are now in the site, and then let's read the instructions here. So Activator for Windows. Download the Activator RAR. So let's download it. Let's click it. And here we go. And then open the folder. It's struck. So first we need to make another folder. Let's go to this PC. And then stop. Let's create a new folder here. No way. Again, create. My goodness, again. There we go. New folder. Let's name it Panda Activation. Here we go. So let's go back to our download. Show folder, and then extract this Gamepad Pro. Extract files, then find the folder that we made. Panda Activation. Panda. Here we go, Panda Activation. Then click OK. Next is go to the desktop and find the Panda Activation. So here we go, the Gamepad Pro Activation tool. Click it. So we have the activate Wi-Fi, and check it out. So what we're gonna do next is connect our phone to our laptop. See that? Using our USB cord. So minimize this. Wait a second. The next is connect this phone to our laptop. Then after that, on our phone, we need to choose the transfer files and then allow. After that, in our computer, let's click this. Let's open our Panda. So as you can see, the third steps is not activated yet. So we're gonna activate that to make this green. This one. So what we're gonna do is click this activate word or file rather, and wait for a second and click allow. Let's just wait for a moment, and then all right, we have the confirmation code. Activation confirmation message. Activation completed. Please launch EPP Panda Gamepad Pro or Panda Mouse Pro on your phone and check it activated. If activation fails after uploading, please run activate Wi-Fi.bat. So as you can see now, our Panda Gamepad Pro is already activated. Look at that. It's already green. So we can now continue and play the Panda Gamepad. So that's all guys for my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy watching.